love it. Sal, what are you doing? Oh, is it nice out, Sal? Nice enough to skateboard?
Woo. It's like 60 degrees outside, sunny, it's amazing.
Well guys, welcome back to the channel. We're outside today because it is a beautiful day. But we're not filming outside today. We gotta go inside and work on some stuff, right, Clay?
Yep.
You ready to go inside, Sal? Let's go. Oh!
We are so excited that it's finally springtime here in Park City. We could not be happier with the warm weather and the sunshine, but that does not get rid of the fact that we need to do a lot of things to the Cayman. In fact, we have a long checklist today, but we're gonna focus on the really, really fun things.
Now, per our last video, you guys saw us install the beautiful Fab Speed exhaust. Last video, it was icy out, so we could not take the Cayman out for a drive. But as you saw today, it is beautiful and sunny and warm, so I think we might take the Cayman out.
Definitely. Once we're done installing a few things, let's take it for a spin.
All right, Clayton, you are the boss in the video. You tell me what's up and what's next and where you need my hands, and I'll just make jokes.
Okay, that needs to go there.
Okay. So are we like putting the Cayman back together, or like putting the bolts back in the fenders?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Together.
Okay. So this past week, we actually had the Cayman put back over there while we were doing a BMW wrap right here. So that is actually why we're just now putting the bumper back on.
I had to put the whole project on hold.
If any of you were wondering why the heck this is now happening.
Okay, now that that nonsense is over, the bumper's back on, taillights are on, hopefully they work. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of the video. So in today's video, we're installing an Underglow kit on my Cayman. This is gonna be so much fun. Ever since I was a kid, back in the late 90s, early 2000s, neon was like the thing of the tuner scene. Then it quickly became kind of taboo or kind of lame, and it's making a comeback, and I cannot wait to get it on. So let's get this thing on. It should be fairly straightforward. And usually when I say that, it becomes the biggest hassle in the world.
Yeah, I think you already jinxed yourself.
This kit I got off Amazon. I don't know, it was like 80 bucks. So we'll see. Oh, and also while I'm in there doing lighting, I might as well wire these bad boys up. These little Pandem Signature 5 LEDs on each side, the daytime running lights. So might as well wire all those up.
Now I am specifically very excited about this because of my dearest memories playing Need for Speed. And my favorite thing to do is customize my car in the game and put Underglow. So yeah. I'm pretty excited to see Clayton do this in real life.
Yeah. Actually, fun fact too, I remember as a kid learning about Underglow after some Fast and the Furious movies. And because it was called neon, or it was called neon because they would put like neon tubes, like neon signs, like under the car, and they would usually like break all the time. Oh. So now, technology, we got LED strips, so they should be real easy.
So what's in here?
I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. All right, let's see. There should be 4 strips, various lengths, and some wire. Looks like it.
Looks exactly that.
We do need to test it first, though.
This is kind of like the stuff we put behind our TV. 120 kinds of chasing effect. What does that mean?
Like, it'll be like, pew, pew. You know what I'm saying?
Need a little bit more explanation.
No, like the LED would be like.
Oh, so like different kind of
and then
like strobe.
Then it will go back and strobe.
Oh, okay, I see.
So after reading the instructions very quickly, looks like there's 2 ways to wire this up. One way is through the cigarette lighter, which is how we're going to be testing it. But the end result will be actually hardwired into the car. So that way we don't have to think about it anymore.
Hold on a second. You read the instructions?
They were picture instructions, so I looked at the instructions.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't read anything. Are you gonna do the honors?
No, you.
Okay.
I'm excited. I like this kind of stuff.
Yeah, look at the instructions.
Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense.
Yeah.
Oh, Sal, you like these? Sal, check it out. Yeah, Sal, work it.
I'm just glad it works. Oh!
It's a party. So what am I doing? What is this? I wonder how many people are gonna think this is really lame still.
Probably a lot, but I think it's cool and it's my car.
I think it's gonna be really cool.
And the best thing is you can just turn it off and it's like you don't have it. Or you can turn it on and have it. So it's the best of both worlds, really. You'd be dumb not to do it.
Sold. Oh, I didn't know you knew Japanese.
Well, I don't, but Google does. These are the instructions that came with the Pandem kit to install the thing, so check this out. Just,
No way.
Yeah.
That's actually really cool. Okay, all of a sudden there's a headlight out and Clayton's apparently taking apart the front trunk. So I should have known because wiring is always very elaborate, but.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay, we got a bumper and we suddenly have a wheel and still no lights plugged in. What's going on here?
Oh my gosh. So we, with the magic of editing, just saved you guys probably 2 hours of me just having no idea what's going on.
Of course.
But I figured it out.
Okay.
So we finally have the Pandem LED daytime running lights.
Oh, is
So we
this
got
it?
one.
Is it?
We got them figured out. We got another one here.
Okay.
So we got them figured out here.
How does it work?
Okay, crash course. I wired them up through a grommet. See, right through here. And then I have them spliced into turn signals.
Okay.
And then they go up to this little Japanese module.
Okay.
And then same thing on the side, and then to the battery.
Wow.
You want to see them in action?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
See these little bad boys lit up.
Bing.
Ooh, nice. Turn signal?
Yep.
So cool.
So, we got that checked off the to-do list.
Okay, so now you gotta make it so all 5 of them work.
Yes, that's easy. You just plug them in.
Okay.
The wiring's done. All you gotta do is plug them in with the bumper. But now that the wiring's done, we can wire the underglow to match. So we just need to wire the underglow to the same wires we did the daytime running lights, and that's pretty easy. The control module, which is like the Bluetooth, it's gonna go in the front, and we'll just wire it in real quick.
Real quick, guys.
Real quick.
Real
Also,
quick.
check this out. It's got a Bluetooth module holder. The Cayman does. Check this out.
Okay. Nice.
Look how perfect that is.
Really though?
Yeah, it's actually perfect.
What is that really for?
Oh, the original bumper screwed in right here.
Okay.
It was a tab to screw the bumper into.
That's a little too perfect.
Yeah.
What be this green juice?
That's brake fluid.
Okay. It's a emergency Kool-Aid tank for if you're thirsty.
Yep.
Are they hugging now?
Yeah, pretty much.
I gotta say, wiring stuff is pretty boring.
You can say that again.
I gotta say.
You say it. Boring and complicated.
You got that right. You can say that again.
Boring and... All right, you want to do the honors to see if I wired it correctly?
Sure, what do you want me to do?
So you put the key in, turn the car to the accessory position, and then you turn the fog lights on.
Okay.
You do 2 clicks over, or 3, and then we'll just 1 out. Yep, works.
Show them. Party! Woo! Okay, so now that everything's wired and all the boring stuff is out of the way, Clayton has the beautiful task of putting this all back together.
Just another boring thing.
Just another boring thing, but I'm gonna throw you guys on a time lapse because I actually really personally, I like watching things be put back together, sped up. So, without further ado. All right, Clayton has assembled everything, and now the moment of the truth. Okay, you didn't let me count down.
There.
Okay, cool. They work. Turn signal. Ooh.
Nice.
Nice.
I thought for sure installing the bumper would have broken it.
Thomas Edison would be so proud.
Okay, that was random. Yes, I bet though.
Electricity, lights.
Yeah, I get it now. I just wasn't expecting it. I wasn't expecting Thomas Edison to come up in our conversation. All right, camera lady, hand the camera over.
Wait, what?
It's time for you to get to work.
Oh man.
You just gotta stick it. You gotta.
What if I stick it in the wrong spot and then you're gonna get mad at me and?
I'll help you.
Okay.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, do it.
Okay.
Wrong.
You've given me no instruction.
Just kidding. That was actually right. All right, let's go.
Okay, Clayton gave me a really quick crash course. Let's step under the car, shall we? Step into my office. Easy enough, I would say. Think it's pretty on there.
All right. Next.
Okay. That was not a good look
All
for
right,
me.
next.
All right, well, Clayton fired me from my job, so...
I just want to try. I've never done it before.
Okay,
Try.
whatever you say, I clearly didn't do a good enough job.
This is gonna look so good. So excited.
I don't know about you guys, though. I feel like Clayton really should have just stuck with the OG route, neon tubes.
Tubes.
Yeah.
They're just, you know, I was a kid when that was like a thing, but I would just assume they would just break all the time.
Well,
With just like glass tubes underneath your car. You can only have one color.
yeah, but I feel like those were cutting edge, though, you know?
Well, yeah, it was very innovative.
Innovative. Nice.
All right. Moment of truth. You think it's gonna look good?
I think it's gonna look good.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look really, really good.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
Wow. You gotta find a color that matches.
Yeah, let's see.
Like an amber. Ooh, I like that.
Like that?
Yes. It looks so cool.
Yeah.
I wonder how many people right now are like, that is the stupidest thing I've ever seen.
Probably a lot of them.
In the
but
comments.
I think it's pretty cool.
I think it's cool too. I actually think it's really cool.
All right, ooh.
Ooh, it's on fire.
Blue looks pretty good.
The real question is, should we take it outside?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, my friends, we're gonna take it out and also take it out for its first drive with the new Fab Speed exhaust.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Clayton, what do you think? The Range Rover's next.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Really?
Yeah, we got the new color coming in. I think it'd be accented very nicely with the
Wait, hold
color
on.
matched
We haven't
Underglow.
told anyone that we're rewrapping this.
It's inevitable. We own a wrap shop. We're gonna wrap our cars all the time.
Okay, well, the secret's out. This is getting rewrapped soon, and I think, I don't know, guys. What do you think? Underglow?
It's like $75. We gotta.
Okay, we'll do it for one video.
All the cars.
Yeah. Okay.
Even the work vans.
Now you're just excited. This it's a little bit too light out, so I think we need to change that. So let's fix that here. Ooh, it's a little bit better. You can see a little bit better now.
Yeah, it's not crazy dark, but if it was too dark, you guys wouldn't be able to see it.
Should we go for a spin?
Yes, I cannot wait to see what it looks like driving.
Should I get in this? Get some rollers?
Both.
Okay, so I'll hop in here then.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so much louder. Holy crap. Oops. Gotta put my seatbelt on. Getting a little too excited. Okay, apparently we're in the middle of a hurricane here. Check it out!
Woo, it's windy.
Yeah, it is.
Change to strobe?
It's been strobing this whole time. He's getting the shots.
Yep.
The Fab Suite exhaust is so loud.
Yeah, it's very much louder in the cab too.
So this matches our TV now.
It does match our TV. It's so cool. We're gonna have a party in the shop and a party in the living room.
Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Guys, what do you think of my new Underglow, the LED setup on my Cayman? I think it's so cool, but I wanna know what you guys think in the comments below. Even if you don't like it, let me know. I think they're sick. Also, what do you guys think of the new Fab Suite exhaust? This is the first time you guys heard it ripping down the road. Faith said it sounded really good.
I hope you guys can hear it. It was really windy, so we'll see in the footage. Hopefully it did turn out good.
Yeah, we're having like a tornado outside apparently, so there was like rocks and trees and stuff blowing around, so it went from a very nice sunny day to a very tornado-y day.
Yeah, that's Utah for ya.
I am so stoked to check 2 more things off the Cayman's to-do list. We are 2 steps closer to a completed Cayman build. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments below. But until the next one, peace.
See guys, the Cayman matches our TV. Woo!